Hi guys, as you all know, we all have that one lehenga, that one clothing piece that we always save for auspicious occasions but never end up wearing it again. Well, how about upcycling it again? So today we're going to turn this lehenga from this to this as we upcycle it. Today I'm following this inspiration from celebrities. I have actually paired up a crisp white shirt along with this bottom. I absolutely love how it looks. You can basically use any clothing piece that you have, add some gold accessories, jhumkas, and just look at the difference. It completely looks like as if I'm wearing a new outfit. So, if you want to save your money this Diwali or try something with the clothing pieces you already have, I feel like this is a great option. Let me know what you think and subscribe for more.